All right, students. So this is the last type of writing that we'll talk about that you could be doing in your tasks this week, and it's a book report. So the book reports that you will write for this need to have 3 paragraphs to them. First, an introduction paragraph, and then a summary, and then a recommendation. So let's talk about all those. So first, your introduction paragraph. What it does is just introduces the book. So just basic information about it. The author, the characters, the setting, if it's part of a series, like if you're reading Harry Potter or Dork Diaries or something like that, that has lots of books, you can mention that. So in this example here, you see that I tell you the title of the book, the author, say that it's a children's bedtime story, where it takes place, just basic information. I don't tell you what happens in the story yet. I don't say what it's about or what the conflict is or anything. That's going to come later in our summary. So you're just saying basic information. I just say it's about a boy and his mother. That's all. Don't even tell you what they do in the story. That leads us to our summary. So our summary, we have to summarize what happened in the story. And I want you to be thinking about your plot diagram, your conflict, your protagonist and antagonist, how the story moves along. You need to say what happens for the whole story, beginning, middle, end, all of it. If it helps you, you can even start by saying in the beginning of the story, and then say in the middle of the story, and then at the end of the story. Your summary should be at least 4 sentences. It should probably be more like 6 if you're really giving information, like enough information about your story. So if you read mine here, it's 6 sentences long. I say what happens in the beginning, and then what's happening in the middle, and then finally we see that this happens in the end. Okay, so we have the whole story laid out there in a lot less words. One very important thing, in your summary, you are telling a shorter version of what happened in the story. That means you should not be copying any part of the story at all. If you ever find yourself copying the exact words from the story, you're doing it wrong. A summary is a shorter version. So if you're copying it, you're doing it wrong. Okay, you have to put it into your own words, and you're just telling it in a shorter way, retelling it in a different way. That's your summary. Finally, you have a recommendation paragraph. So this is where you talk about things like this. Did you like the book? Why or why not? What did you like? What did you dislike? Would you recommend it? Who would like this book? Now, what I do not want you to do is go through this list of questions and then write a paragraph that's like a list. Don't write, yes, I liked the book because this. I liked this in the book. I disliked this in the book. I would recommend. It sounds so choppy when you do it like that. Use these questions as a guide and then write it in your own way. Just thinking about these ideas, the things you liked and disliked and who you'd recommend it to, and just write it like that. Do not write it like a list of questions that you're answering, okay? You can see my example of that there. This is the example that's in your lesson plan, so you can look at it there. Notice that I was really specific about things. I said that it's a heartwarming story that made me feel good. I especially like the repetition that the author used. I'm saying really specific things that I liked or disliked. I say I would recommend it to others, especially young children. I'm being really specific about who I would recommend it to. So be specific here. Don't just say, I love the book. It was good. Everyone will like it. That's so boring to read. Be very specific about it in your recommendation paragraph. All right, so those are your 3 paragraphs you need in a book report. Your book report, it could be on any book that you've read. And there's also some tasks that are just, or one task, I think, that's just a summary paragraph. So exact same as what we just talked about here, but without the rest of the book report, it would just be this summary paragraph, the second paragraph in here. Okay, so as always, if you have any questions, please let me know.